Are you tired of dealing with cluttered panels and the hassle of managing multiple components for circuit protection? Well, look no further than Sensata's SNAPAK Series. In this RS Product Spotlight video, you'll discover how Sensata's innovative series combines multiple functionalities into one compact and aesthetically pleasing package. The SNAPAK series is designed to streamline your circuit protection needs by integrating functions of a power switch, fuse, and fuse holder into one, simplifying assembly and reducing inventory by 2/3, enhancing panel density with less clutter. Now let's dive into some standout features. It has a compact magnetic hydraulic design, meaning it maintains the same tripping performance regardless of temperature variations, bringing consistent performance. With a snap acting feature, it guarantees the immediate opening and closing of contacts. The SNAPAK also has a trip-free function where it will trip open on overload, even when forcibly held in the on position, preventing operator damage. It covers most certifications, including UL, CSA, CCC, TUV, and CE compliant. When it comes to hardware, the SNAPAK series offers actuation options from toggle, rocker, push-pull, and push-to-reset, including 6 colors and illumination options. Whether you need quick connect terminals or screw terminals with multiple mounting options, SNAPAK has you covered. It also includes configurations such as series trip, shunt trip, relay trip, auxiliary switch, voltage trip, and power switch. For its electrical ratings, the SNAPAK covers amp ratings of 0.1 amps, 230 amps, over DC, 50-60 Hz, or 400 Hz voltages. You can choose instant, fast, or slow delay on your SNAPAK. This series excels in various industries, including industrial, telecom, aerospace and defense, and marine. It's perfect for applications like office appliance, electronic data processing, medical equipment, business machines, and even vending and amusement machines. In conclusion, by choosing the SNAPAK series, you benefit from reduced assembly time by mounting one component instead of 3, inventory reduction, cutting down inventory by 2/3, greater panel density, achieving a cleaner, more organized panel layout, and strong performance with its magnetic hydraulic technology. Do you need help constructing the right SNAPAK for your application? Contact Sensata or our RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Visit our RS site in the links below, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button and click that bell for more RS Product Spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.